Passes out if your honor please. Pass to begin South Apo, Veracruz, Pitbulls is running by the appointment, Magdapio, Apo View, Maligalig, Pacific Warrior, and trailing the group is Amoremillo, South Apo. In the middle is Veracruz, if your honor please in third, Pitbulls in fourth, Apo View in fifth. In the middle portion, appointment, Magdapio, and Maligalig. We have South Apo running on the outside. Veracruz is running by the left. Then two lengths watching into this. If your honor please. Pitbulls in port. Appointment now trying to get closer in favor. And it's still Veracruz. South Apo paragraph for the leader. If your honor please in third. Pitbulls in port. Appointment now coming closer in favor. South Apo running by the race. Veracruz. If your honor please in third. Then here comes Appointment now coming closer in fourth. Pitbulls in favor. South Apo just in front. If your honor please. Appointment now Riaz as they come to the last of the South Apo. Appointment now moves about the outside. It's now Appointment, South Apo, and in third comes If Your Honor Please, Pitbulls, entering the finish line, Jackie Jomel Lazaro on Appointment. South Apo, Pitbulls, then comes If Your Honor Please, Veracruz.
There you have it, Bayang Terorista. Nakita po natin itong ating unofficial winner dito sa ating race number 5, number 3, Appointment with JL Lazaro. Nasa segundo nga dyan itong ating